Hey folks, I'm here with Gabrielle Melch, our new agent in Seminole County. Gabby, what do we have to offer at the Extension Service?
Well, thanks, Jim. The Extension Office in Seminole County has a lot to offer. We have expert advice from our Master Gardener Help Desk. We have soil sampling for pH, and we can help instruct you on sending some samples off to University of Florida soils. And we also have a lot of fun classes and educational programs to help the community understand horticulture better. And of course, we have the wonderful Master Gardener program that we run. It's a 16-week course, and we get people who are interested to help out and give good information to Seminole County residents about horticulture.
And Gabby, when people have turf problems or bug problems with their tomatoes or such, can they bring them in to you?
Yes, Jim, they can bring in a sample. If you're going to take a piece of sod, you want to get some of the dead stuff as well as a bit of the live stuff so we can tell what's going on. And we can do we have a microscope in the office, and we can look and see some of the common pests and help you out.
Well, thank you, Gabby. And folks, be sure to come by the Extension Service and with all your gardening problems, and we'll help you out. Thanks, folks. Jim Hunter with your short and sweet tip of the day.